Hello friends! Today we will add a timer. First, let's add a div to store our timer. Set ID to timer. Go to the code, find the timer and store it to a variable. Add a variable to store the game time in seconds. We want the timer starts after the first click on the game field. We can do it by sending a custom message after bomb's initialization. Call it game start. Now create a handler to this event. Call it GameStartEventHandler. To make the timer work, we will use the setInterval function. Call the updateTimer function once per second. Let's add the updateTimer function. Increase the time variable and set the timer inner HTML to time. Connect our handler as listener to the game start event. OK, it already works, but with several problems. First, we must set the timer text to 0 at the beginning. Secondly, the timer must stop after the game ends. And thirdly, if we reset the game and start it again, another interval will be added. OK, let's fix them. We need to store interval into a variable. And assign here. Next, we need a function to reset the timer. Clear the previous interval if it exists. Reset the timer after that. And set the timer inner HTML to 0. Now we need to call this function before we run the game. And on the reset button. Let's add a handler function. Call the resetTimer function here. And the game reset after this. Connect it to click event instead of game reset. And we also need to clear the interval in the game over handler. Everything should work properly now. But I don't like the timer format. Let's convert it to appropriate value. Add a function to convert integer value to a time string. First, calculate the minutes. Add a leading 0 to it, and cut out two symbols. It may be incorrect, but only when the timer reaches 100 minutes. Write a similar expression for seconds. And return a formatted string. Add this function here. And here as well. Let's check it. Wait for a while. Fine. That's all for today. We will create this style for the timer next time. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.